Hello everybody, welcome to the trade recap. This is recapping the trade we took today. Just diving into why I took it, what I was looking at. Off the rip, I noticed that price was pumping quite a bit. I was expecting a midweek reversal I was looking for. I let everybody know that's what I was eyeing. And then so from that point, I'm dropping down to see if there's reason for price to head lower. And off the rip, I noticed, if we look on the 1 minute here, we built liquidity, engineered, generated liquidity here to the downside as we were pumping. We weren't doing damage to the downside. We had generated liquidity here, equal lows, all lined up here. To me, it just lined up perfectly. I knew that we had generated liquidity. I knew that I was expecting a midweek reversal. I was expecting a move to the downside. I was hoping that we'd be able to find a setup in that direction. That's all that was left. And so we got an internal sweep here, inverse this gap here. We had a breaker here. It's not the most ideal formation of a breaker, but it is one nonetheless. And then we formed this fair value gap here. And so this was my entry. I put my stop above this candle's high. So a 1.5 to 1 R. And then targeting the equal lows below. So that was what I was looking for. It just made sense. We had the objectives there. Off that internal sweep, reversal, entry formed. And so off the rip, that's what I was looking at. And so off the entry, the fair value gap entry itself didn't get respected, but nonetheless, I still was convicted in the direction I had. This was a bit of a cautious move there. That was not exactly what I wanted to see. But then price completely dumped and resumed that direction that I was anticipating it would. We hit TP1 there. Right away I went break even. That's when I went break even. I said, okay, I don't want to get caught in a chop fest. We took out the first set of objectives I was looking at. If we completely reverse now, I'll just take my partials. I do anticipate us coming here though. There's more objectives I do think we'll tap into. So I'll go break even there. I do expect us to go and do damage to the downside. So we came pumped again. Started to move down. And as you can see, we went and tapped into those equal lows. So that was full TP there. Over 40 points there, 40-point move to those objectives. It just made sense. The objectives were there. The timing was there. The confirmations and entry were all there. We capitalized on that. And price ended up going to those equal lows as well. So we had the direction absolutely correct. The objectives absolutely correct. The entry was a bit scary, how price reacted there. But the direction was correct, and more times than not, you'll get the take profit when you have the entry and timing correct. And the direction. So, very nice move there. 40.5 points. Caught with the group. I know several people got into this move and even held beyond my full take profit, which is good because we did continue to dump. And so, as I said here, my level of interest was 477.5 as well. That's what I was looking at for ES. It just made sense. And as you can see, look at price, how it has dumped. I do anticipate we will tap into this level. This was my area of interest as well. It lined up with NQ. That area is exactly what I was targeting on NQ here. ES has just taken longer to get there. It's lagging behind. I do anticipate it will tap this low here, but that's exactly what I was targeting on NQ, and we got that. And as you can see, we went beyond it. Many people took partials where I told them to and held beyond it. So very well done there. Great move all around. Full take profit hit. And that is the trade taken today. Take care, everybody.